we study the important topic, that is microbes in sewage treatment. Lesson 10, microbes in human welfare, class 12 biology. This questions is also have been asked in the form of the sewage treatment plants. A short notes in 3 marks have been asked so many times in board examination. So this is a very important one. Microbes in sewage treatment consisting of 2 parts, that is primary treatment and secondary or biological treatment. So let us go through this. Microbes in sewage treatment, that is STP, sewage treatment plants. The municipal wastewater is called as sewage. What is sewage? Sewage is the municipal wastewater. It consisting of the major amount of the human excreta. It contains the large amount of organic matter, that is major component is the human excreta and most of the microbes. The Ministry of Environment and Forest has initiated the Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan to save the major rivers of our country, that is to prevent the pollution of these major rivers of the country. Now, thus the sewage water should be treated in sewage treatment plants before discharge in the natural water bodies like rivers and streams, etc. Treatment of wastewater is done by heterotrophic microbes which are present in the sewage. That is 2 types of bacteria are there, aerobic bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. So this process is known as heterotrophic microbes process. This treatment has 2 steps. First of all, primary treatment. What happens in primary treatment? It includes the physical removal of the small and large particles through filtration and sedimentation. 2 processes applied here, filtration and sedimentation. First of all, filtration of primarily of this sewage water takes place, due to which the large amount or the bulk, the large particles can be separated easily. Large particle consisting of the remaining parts of the polythenes, etc. Now, sedimentation means settle down of the large particles. First of all, physically उसे remove करते हैं, then sedimentation takes place. The large pebbles, etc., grit consisting of the pebbles and soil, वो settle down हो जाती है. Now, the floating debris is removed by filtration and grit. That is soil and small pebbles, जो छोटे-छोटे टुकड़े होते हैं, है ना, particles होते हैं, बड़े particles होते हैं, small particles of the sand, large sands, rocks, etc. वो सब होते हैं आपके small pebbles. Now, by sedimentation, तो debris जो कूड़ा करकट होता है, जो float करता है, floating, just like the polythenes, plastic cups, etc. वो सब के सब हो जाते हैं by filtration and soil and small pebbles by means of the sedimentation. Now, all settled solids form primary sludge. जो sedimentation होता है, first of all, वो बनाते हैं आपकी primary sludge. And supernatant form the effluent. और जो supernatant होता है, जो ऊपर रहता है आफ्टर फिल्ट्रेशन, जो ऊपर वाला पार्ट है पानी का, दिस इज सुपरनेटेंट, और जो नीचे बैठ जाता है दैट इज सेडिमेंटेशन. तो दिस सुपरनेटेंट इज नाउ कॉल्ड एज इफ्लुएंट. दिस इफ्लुएंट नाउ टेकन फॉर सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट. अब इस इफ्लुएंट को सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए ले जाया जाता है. अब देखिए व्हाट हैपन इन प्राइमरी ट्रीटमेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द सीवेज वाटर गो थ्रू ए टैंक फ्रॉम विच द फिल्ट्रेशन of the debris takes place and sedimentation of the solid organic matter takes place. This sedimented part remains inside the tank, वो बनाता है आपका sludge. Then effluent or floating part now taken into for the secondary treatment. Now, secondary or biological treatment. Secondary treatment also known as biological treatment. Here the heterotrophs, that is aerobic and anaerobic bacteria, naturally present in this sewage water. The effluent from primary treatment pass into large aeration tanks ताकि उसमें एयर अच्छे से मिल सके. दिस एयर इज हेल्प फॉर द एरोब, जो एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया है उनके लिए ऑक्सीडेशन में एयर हेल्प करती है। नाउ दिस अलाउ द विगरस ग्रोथ ऑफ यूजफुल एरोबिक माइक्रोब्स इनटू द फ्लोक्स, ये कहलाता है फ्लोक्स। फ्लोक्स इज द masses of bacteria associated with the fungal filament. So this floc is very important here, and floc consisting of the aerobic bacteria. These microbes consume the major part of the organic matter and reduce the BOD of the effluent. BOD is the biological oxygen demand, very important one. One mark question. What is BOD? BOD is may be defined as the amount of the oxygen required to oxidize all organic matter in 1 liter of water. We can say that the amount of the oxygen which is required by the microbes to oxidize the organic matter in 1 liter of water. 1 लीटर वाटर में जितना भी ऑर्गेनिक मैटर है उसको ऑक्सीडाइज करने के लिए जो अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन है रिक्वायर्ड बाय द माइक्रोब्स, जो वो एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया है उनके लिए वो अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन नोन एज BOD, biological oxygen demand, very important one. Now BOD is the amount of oxygen required to oxidize all organic matter in 1 liter of water. The sewage water is treated till the BOD is reduced. जब तक BOD कम नहीं होती उसका ट्रीटमेंट चलता रहता है। Now greater BOD of wastewater show more is its pollution or pollutants. We can say that if BOD is greater then pollution is also greater, यानी कि जिसकी BOD ज्यादा होगी उस वाटर का पोल्यूशन लेवल भी उसका ज्यादा होगा, यानी कि BOD is directly proportional to the pollution in the water. If BOD is more, then more polluted water. Now once BOD is reduced, the effluent then pass into a settling tank where bacterial flocs are allowed to sediment called as activated sludge, है ना? A small part of this sludge pumped back to the aeration tank called as inoculum. जो यहाँ पर स्लज बनती है फ्लोक्स के कारण, है ना? तो दिस स्लज इज नोन एज एक्टिवेटेड स्लज, एंड नाउ दिस स्लज फंक्शनिंग एज द इनोकुलम, दैट इज एक स्टार्टर की तरह काम करती है। उसे फिर से उसकी थोड़ी अमाउंट को एरेशन टैंक में उसे पंप कर दिया जाता है, एंड रिमेनिंग मेजर पार्ट ऑफ दिस फ्लोक्स इज पंप्ड इनटू द एनारोबिक स्लज डाइजेस्टर tank. Here anaerobes digest the flocs. Now this flocs is digested by the anaerobic bacteria, that is, and produce a mixture of the different gases, that is methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. All the mixture form biogas, and this biogas is used for the energy, है ना, or fuel, as a fuel. It may be used as a effluents from secondary treatment plant is now released into the natural water bodies like rivers and streams. We can say that this effluent is more polluted now, that is all the polluting components are oxidized by means of the aerobic and anaerobic bacteria both, because both bacteria help here to reduce the BOD, especially जो आपके एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, दे रिड्यूस द BOD ऑफ द वाटर, और जैसे ही इसकी BOD रिड्यूस होती है वाटर बिकम्स लेस पोल्यूटेड. नाउ इट कैन बी थ्रोन इनटू द नियर बाय रिवर. नाउ दिस टोटल प्रोसेस, that is primary and secondary treatment of sewage water is maybe summarized in this one line equation. So go through this now. This is the sewage water. Here first of all the physical separation by means of the filtration and sedimentation takes place. This is known as primary treatment. Now effluents is now pumped into the aeration tank. This is known as secondary treatment. Here flocs are also, that is aerobes or aerobic bacteria present in the flocs, that is a mass of the bacteria and algae is known as flocs. So these flocs or aerobes present here, they oxidize the organic matter here. Now this effluents now go through the secondary treatment in the anaerobic cellular digester. Here the gases, by means of the anaerobic bacteria, the biogas is formed, which is the mixture of the methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. Now this effluent reduced, the BOD of this effluent is reduced, and this reduced BOD effluent now thrown into the nearby river. So this is the total process of the primary and secondary treatment. So this is all about microtoxin sewage treatment, primary and secondary treatment. If you enjoy this video, you can like, share and subscribe it. Thank you and have a good day.